Decor Designs, the channel dedicated to elevating your living space, inside and out. Today, we're venturing into the beautiful world of gardens and exploring a timeless design element, the brick pathway design ideas. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Let's begin by establishing a clear understanding. Brick garden pathway design refers to the intentional layout and installation of brick pavers to create a designated walking path within your garden. This path serves a dual purpose for functionality since it provides a stable, defined route for navigating your garden, preventing damage to delicate plants and soil compaction. The second function is for aesthetics because brick introduces a touch of sophistication and structure, framing your garden beds and guiding visitors through your landscape masterpiece. Now, why might you choose brick for your garden path? Here are some compelling reasons. First, durability. Brick is incredibly long-lasting, withstanding harsh weather conditions and heavy foot traffic for decades. Second, versatility. Bricks come in a wide range of colors, textures, and sizes, allowing you to tailor the design to your specific garden style. Third, low maintenance. Unlike some organic materials, brick requires minimal upkeep. Occasional sweeping and basic cleaning are all you need. Fourth, DIY friendly. While professional installation is an option, brick pathways are a manageable project for even moderately handy homeowners. Fifth, increased property value. A well-designed brick pathway can enhance your home's curb appeal and potentially translate to a higher valuation. How to decorating garden with brick pathways? Now that we understand the benefits, let's delve into the exciting realm of decoration. Brick pathways can be the foundation for creating a truly enchanting garden experience. Here are some tips. First, plant selection. Play with contrasting textures and colors. Opt for low-growing perennials or decorative grasses that spill over the edges of the path, adding a touch of softness. Second, lighting. Strategic lighting can transform your pathway at night. Consider solar-powered lights or recessed lights along the sides to illuminate the path and create a magical ambience. Third, focal points. Create a destination point at the end of your path with a bird bath, a charming sculpture, or a strategically placed seating area. Alright, the moment you've all been waiting for. Here these are top 10 budget-friendly brick pathway design ideas. 1. The classic straight path. A timeless choice, perfect for connecting key areas of your garden. 2. The winding path. Embrace a sense of mystery with a path that gently curves around your garden features. 3. The herringbone pattern. Create a touch of visual interest with this classic laying pattern. 4. The stepping stone path. Use strategically placed brick pavers spaced with gravel or pebbles for a rustic charm. 5. The mixed material path. Combine brick with other materials like flagstone or pavers for a unique, textural effect. 6. The border path. Line your garden beds with a single row of bricks for a clean and defined look. 7. The circular path. Create a focal point with a circular path leading to a central feature like a water fountain. 8. The recycled brick path. Give reclaimed bricks a new life for a sustainable and unique walkway. 9. The mosaic path. Get creative. Arrange broken or mismatched bricks for a colorful and playful statement piece. 10. The raised brick path. Elevate your path above the surrounding soil level for added drainage and visual separation. Remember, these are just a springboard for your creativity. Don't be afraid to mix and match these ideas and personalize your design to reflect your unique style. How to create a brick garden pathway design on a budget? Here's the good news. Creating your dream brick pathway doesn't have to break the bank. Here's how to make it work on a budget. 1. Shop around. Compare prices at different. 2. Consider used materials. Look for reclaimed bricks at salvage yards or online marketplaces. 3. DIY installation. While hiring a professional is always an option, tackling the project yourself can save significant costs. However, be sure to do your research and understand the steps involved before diving in. 4. Start small. Begin with a smaller pathway design and expand it later as your budget allows. 5. Embrace natural borders. Instead of purchasing edging materials, use existing landscaping elements like rocks or low-growing plants to define the path's borders. 6. Think long-term. Invest in high-quality brick, even if it costs a bit more upfront. This ensures your pathway will last for years to come, saving you money in the long run. There you have it. With a little creativity and planning, you can create a stunning and functional brick pathway that elevates your garden and complements your home style. Remember, your garden is a reflection of your personality. Don't be afraid to experiment and have fun with your design. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your gardening gloves, a cup of inspiration from Homes Decor Designs, and get started on building your dream brick pathway today. We'd love to see your creations. Share photos of your finished brick pathway project in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring home decor content. Again, thank you for watching this video, hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel Homes Decor Designs, hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.